Welcome to Real Internet Cast TV. I'm Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video, talking about Power Lead System again, the best online business opportunity, in my damn opinion. I'm just answering the question. Well, not really answering the question, but basically saying if you're not making money with Power Lead System, why aren't you, right? So this video is for those who maybe heard of Power Lead System or signed up for Power Lead System, or thinking about signing up or whatever. And if people aren't making money with it, why aren't they? Simple. You're not promoting it enough. Because if you promote it and you promote it to the right people, it really is one of them cliche no-brainer opportunities, because anybody who's affiliated with internet marketing or offline businesses understand people who need more customers and need more leads. You're gonna be interested in the Power Lead System because of everything that the system does. It's like I said, like, I'm a part of it. I actually use it, what I mean? And I'm actually an affiliate of it. So it's easy to promote, and I actually use it because a lot of people promote shit that they don't, really even like or know anything about, right? So if you're a part of Power Lead System, you have to take it serious because this is your, like, an online business. Now, you should be using it to help with other businesses that you're doing. You understand? So when you get Power Lead System and you say you have, you like to create products or whatever like that, you can create your sales pages and squeeze pages for those products in your other businesses with Power Lead System. But you also can make money as an affiliate, promoting the Power Lead System platform, right? And when you do that, you're creating a residual income, that comes, every month, every week. So it's a great opportunity. So if you're signed up for it and you're not seeing, like, and you're an affiliate, don't forget to use Power Lead System. I believe it's $30 a month, but to become an affiliate, it's like $23, $24 a month. So basically, you're running your whole operation for $55 a month. You're running your own online business for $55 a month, basically, right? But if you're an affiliate and you're not really seeing, commissions and stuff, you need to kind of look at, how you're promoting, where you're promoting, who you're promoting to. Don't limit yourself to promoting. Some people feel like, well, I can only promote online, which is not true. You can get business cards. You can get flyers made, with your Power Lead System, domain name on it. Pass them out, take flyers, pass them out. There's your Facebook, there's Twitter. You can even approach local businesses with it because it's one of them products that it has a very wide range of appeal to people. You know what I'm saying? So anybody who's marketing anything on or offline can benefit from the Power Lead System. So like I said, initially, yeah, you're gonna feel like, man, I'm not seeing these commissions roll in, but just keep pushing, keep promoting it, because you can see the power of it. All you got to do is just look at it and ask yourself, damn, does this look good? It's that simple. Does this look good? Does this look like something that I want to use? And does this look like something I can promote? If you say yeah, then jump on that shit. It's that simple, right? So yeah, that's just a quick little video to say, hey, Power Lead System is real. They actually do pay, and you can make money with it. It's that simple. All right, so if you want to check out Power Lead System for yourself, right, and look at their presentation and get more details, you can do so, right? I'll put the link to a squeeze page in the description of this video. You can check it out. Just put your email in there, and then you'll see the presentation video for yourself. And you can be like, oh, he was bullshitting, or you can be like, yo, he really know what he's talking about. It's up to you. So yeah, I'll put the link in the description. Also in the description, I'll put a link to my blog, realinternetcash.info. That's where you will find 100% legit money making opportunities. Man, it's one of them long ass videos again. But if you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.